You might have heard about this news that Snapchat is growing faster than Facebook and other social medias, and just for making Snapchat more interesting, I brought some new amazing Snapchat tricks which will change the way you use Snapchat. So welcome to the second episode of Snapchat tricks, and with that being said, let's get started. So coming to the first trick, it's about applying a Snapchat filter later on a clicked snap or any image from camera roll. Like as we know, we have to first select a filter on a snap camera, then only we can click a snap using the lenses. But in case if you miss selecting a filter, then after clicking the snap, there you will see an option with search icon. Just click on that and search for the lens you want to apply. And this works with camera roll and your Snapchat memories too. Coming to the second trick, it's about using Snapchat for detecting the music being played in the background. Now after this you can save some space on your phone by uninstalling Shazam. So for this, go to Snap Camera, tap and hold anywhere on the screen, and then you will see an option named Discover a Song. Just click on that and it will recognize the name of music being played nearby in the background. By the way, it is also based on Shazam's API. Now there's a trick by which you can increase your snap score to as much you want, but there's a TNC that this operation can only be performed on Android phones. So you will need to download older version of Snapchat application from the link given below in the video's description, and after installing the application, subscribe to few channel or send requests to some random users. Then click 10 snaps by using the multi-snap option and send to all of them. Continue this process until and unless you are not satisfied with your snap score. The fourth thing is a new update which Snapchat brought 2 months ago, and by this now you can change your Snapchat username once every year. For this, go to settings, then username section, and then enter your new username. Earlier Snapchat username was not changeable. Now moving to the next trick, we can search for some particular snaps from our Snapchat memories by just searching for the date, month, or maybe the location of that snap. Like here you can see all the snaps of that particular locations are sorted. Coming to the sixth trick, if you want to make your home screen of your phone a little interesting, then you can add some Snapchat widget onto your screen. Widgets for Snapchat is available for iOS as well as for Android, and for setting them up, just click and hold on your phone screen and then add the widget. That's all. The seventh trick is for making some unique snaps, basically for maintaining streaks. Like if you got nothing special for a snap, and instead of sending those blank and timer snaps, you can send some amazing snaps by drawing emojis in a creative way. For this, just click on the pencil icon and then select on the emoji and then select any one emoji from the list. After that, draw anything onto the snap and then you are ready to send. That's all. The eighth trick is about forming a group on a Snapchat. Yes, it's similar to the group we make on WhatsApp or Instagram, but a lot of users are unaware of this feature. So for making a group on Snapchat, click on the blue icon, then select the members and your group will be formed. The ninth trick is about finding a plant using Snapchat's camera. For this, click and hold on the Snapchat's camera and then select the option of identify a plant, and the results are mostly accurate. Now if you and your partner want to have the same outfit on Snapchat, then you can make it simple for him or her by sharing your outfit directly to the person. For this, go to your profile and then click on the cover pic, and there you will see an option to share outfit. Just click on that and then you can send it to anyone you want. The last and the bonus trick is about taking screenshots anonymously without letting the person know about it. Sorry to say, but this is only possible for Android users, so first open Snapchat app and make sure the snap is loaded and it is ready to view. After that, turn on airplane mode and then open the snap and take the screenshot. Just after that, open settings, then go in apps, then Snapchat, and then click on force to stop. After that, you can turn off airplane mode, and by this the person won't be notified about the taken screenshot. For compensation, there is something what iOS users have got, not the Android users, and that is the dark mode of Snapchat. You can enable this by going into Snapchat settings, then appearance, and then dark mode. So that's all for now. I hope you all have enjoyed this video a lot, and if you haven't watched the first episode of Snapchat tricks, then watch it now from the link given below in the show notes. With that being said, I'm TheFatRat and I am signing off.